Hey guys, welcome back to our quick 1-minute tutorial. In today's guide, I'm going to be showing you how to remove paint, or specifically dry paint, from your clothing. I'm going to be showing you how I remove it on my clothing. This is a black hoodie, poor choice for painting, but lesson learned there. Anyways, I recommend, before you try what I'm going to show you, to pick up some OxyClean or maybe some spray and wash. Spray the actual paint, you know, that dried paint that's on your clothing, and then give it a wash. But 9 times out of 10, this doesn't get rid of it. So I'm going to be showing you what I do to get rid of it. Coming up. All right, the ingredients you're going to need is some 91% isopropyl, I don't know if I'm saying that right, alcohol, and some brushes. You can use an old toothbrush, but sometimes these don't have the stiffest bristles. I don't recommend them. I recommend getting one with a little bit stiffer bristles, more of an industrial brush. I'll put links below. All right, all you gotta do is pour on a generous amount of alcohol. Make sure you cover the entire stain. Then use your brush and start going over the paint. I go in different directions and get kind of violent with it, but this will break down the paint over time. I go in different directions. As you can see, it's already getting a little better. Just mix it up, maybe go swirly swirl, whatever you gotta do. Now bear in mind, this isn't gonna get everything out completely the first time, but it gets better with every application. All right, time for second treatment. There's already a lot of alcohol there, so I'm not gonna apply a whole bunch, or we're just gonna go kitty wampus on this little paint stain. Again, multiple directions, swirly, swirly, woo, woo. Whatever you gotta do, it should just get everything out after about 2 to 4 sessions. All right, third time's a charm. All right, and the finished product took about 3 different treatments in total, took about maybe 5 minutes. Alcohol evaporates really quickly, so after you scrub, you know, just let it air dry, and then you can see if you gotta hit it again. But we got it removed. So I'd love to hear if this worked for you or not. Please leave a comment below and hit that like button if it did. We'll see you in the next video.